Hello and welcome to Flagstaff TV. Today we are joined by Graham Lyon, who is the Executive Chairman of Sound Energy PLC. Graham, thank you so much for joining us today.
Good morning, Catherine. Hope you're well.
Very well, thank you. So we are coming now to the end of the summer holidays. Can you tell us what has been going on at Sound?
Yeah, well, if you look outside, the weather's been pretty grotty during the summer. So actually, it's not been so disappointing for us that, we've been hard at it, doing quite a bit of work. And clearly, one of the most important things we've been working on over the last few weeks is the due diligence being undertaken by Cal Valley. Part of that has included me taking them, the principals of Cal Valley, Octavia, down to Morocco to meet the government, the ministries, our partner ONIM, and the various stakeholders. I'm really actually quite pleased that they've come away. The owners of Cal Valley have come away very, very comfortable that doing business in Morocco is what they want to do. So that was a very big positive. The DD process, as probably we all know, includes a whole lot of material, including the technical, the financial, the commercial, and the legal aspects of the job. So it does take a bit of time, but I have to say that process is moving along nicely. I'm in regular discussions with the chairman of Octavia, the owners of Cal Valley, and that's all moving in the right direction. So yeah, we've been really hard at getting that, answering all their questions and getting that over the line.
That sounds great. Graham, we heard that you recently had a conversion of some of your loan. Can you tell us how are the finances at Sound?
Yeah, well, okay, we're in the process of our half-yearly interim, so that we'll give a full report in the fullness of time, so not too distant future. But it's clear to say that we were able to draw down that $2.5 million and from the funder. And that's been helpful in progressing our projects. But also we have been doing the routine business of collecting on our receivables, and I'm pleased to say that's in a healthy state, and that we have very little, if any, outstanding receivables. So, and we still have the ability to draw down $1.5 million should we need to from the facility. So yeah, our finances are, for once in my 3 years, not in a bad shape.
Always a good position to be in. Graham, it's been a very busy summer for you. Do you have anything exciting lined up for the autumn?
Yeah, well, one of the things that we like doing is the day job. And clearly we do have a day job, and that's delivering the micro LNG project. So I think what we'll see is more activity on site. There's a lot of going on in the background, but clearly we expect to start seeing equipment manufactured, being processed, delivered into Morocco, and delivering on our micro LNG for first gas next year. So that's obviously the day job. We haven't forgotten about exploration, and I hope to be making some progress on announcing to the market in the fullness of time on our exploration front. But clearly, the big thing for us to do is get the project financing for the phase 2 pipeline. And for that, the core part of the activity is closing the deal with Cal Valley. So yeah, all hands to the pump on 3 or 4 different major activities. So yeah, we like working hard. It's been easier when the weather's not so bright and sunny outside and people are taking their holidays. But we've been, working hard, getting after it, and hopefully in autumn we'll see some substantial announcements from Sound showing the progress that we have made.
Well, we look more forward to hearing more from you then. Graham, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching Flagstaff TV.